Number 26. The stem and leaf plot shows the number of text messages that 10 teachers sent between 3 and 4 p.m. yesterday. What is the total number of text messages the 10 teachers sent? Number 27. Deshawn is going to make an input-output table, then graph the ordered pairs that it generates. Deshawn will use the numbers 0, 1, 2, and 3. He will multiply each number by 2.5 to generate an output. Which graph shows the ordered pairs that would appear in the completed table? Number 28. The table shows the distances that 4 students threw a disc. How many inches farther did Kayla throw the disc than Hunter? Inches. We're going to need to take our measurement that they gave us, which is in yards and feet, and convert each of these to inches and determine how much farther Kayla threw than Hunter. Number 29. Which input-output table represents the data on the coordinate grid? Number 30. Mr. Klein bought 864 ounces of silver bullion today. He plans to sell the silver when the value of each ounce equals $42. What will be the total value of the silver when Mr. Klein sells it? Number 31. Which expression simplifies to a value of 5? Work each expression that is in words out and determine which one gives you 5. Number 32. Michelle wrote comparisons J, K, L, and M below. Which comparison is not correct? Make sure you check out each comparison, line up your place value, and make your decimals happy. Number 33. An artist will simplify the expression below to find how many pieces of canvas he will have if he cuts 8 pieces of canvas into fourths. 8 divided by 1/4. What is the value of the expression? Keep, change, flip. Number 34. Sophia's grandfather has 18 sacks of candies. Half of the sacks contain grape candy. 3 of the sacks contain lemon candy. The rest contain cherry candy. If each sack contains 144 candies, how many are cherry candies? Number 35. Destiny, Isaac, and Ethan shared a large pizza and a pitcher of root beer at a restaurant. The price of the pizza was $18.49, and the cost of the root beer was $4.79. If they split the total cost of the pizza and the root beer equally, how much will each person pay? Number 36. The perimeter of the square shown on the right is 4.8 inches. What is the length of each side of the square? Remembering, it's adding up all the sides, 4 equal sides, that will give you 4.8. So what do you need to do to find 1? Number 37. The supply closet in the art room is a rectangular prism. The length of the room is 12 feet. The width of the room is 6 feet. If the volume of the room is 576 cubic feet, what is the height of the room? Number 38. It took Ricardo 6 hours, 20 minutes to paint a portrait of his family. Which equation can be used to find M, the time it took to paint the portrait in minutes? Number 39. Sadira made 4 different mixtures of red, blue, and white paint. The tables show the number of milliliters of each color in each mixture. Which mixture contains more blue paint than white paint? Number 40. Angelica jogs 0.5 kilometers each day. Which model best represents the total number of kilometers she jogs in 3 days? Number 41. Mr. Espinoza earned $62,500 last year at his job. He paid the federal government $11,756 in taxes on the money he earned. The money he paid the government is an example of which kind of tax? Income, sales, property, or not here? Number 42. Mariah had 1 hour of free time after school yesterday. She played video games for 18.2 minutes, or 18 and 2/10 minutes. She played with her pets for 16 and 75 minutes, or 16.75 minutes. She watched the television the rest of the time. For how many minutes did Mariah watch television? Number 43. Mariah simplified a numeric expression to solve a math problem. She described the steps she followed below. First, I subtracted 8 from 12. Second, I divided the difference by 2. Third, I multiplied the quotient by 5. Number 44. The area of the shaded face of this cube is 64 square units. What is the volume of the cube in cubic units? Number 45. A tank that contains 8.5 gallons of propane is attached to Vito's barbecue grill. If Vito uses 1.725 gallons of propane to cook food tonight, how many gallons of propane will be left in the tank? Number 46. Rebecca drew the model below to help her find the value of an expression. Which expression does the model represent? I do want you to note that these bolded lines here are the sections as to what it's broken up into. Look carefully. Number 47. The graph shows the number of questions 4 students answered correctly during a trivia game. We have the trivia game as our title. Correct answers is on our x-axis, and the name of the students is on the y-axis. Each correct answer was worth 2.5 points. How many points did Ariana earn? Number 48. Luigi puts 28 slices of pepperoni on each large pizza he makes at his restaurant. If he made 321 large pizzas last month, about how many slices of pepperoni did he put on them all together? Number 49. Ramona is going to put chocolate ice cream in 5 bowls for her friends. If she puts 3/4 cup of ice cream in each bowl, how many cups of ice cream will be in the bowls in all? Number 50. On the grid below, Dondre will place point A at 0,3, point B at 3,0, point C at 9,1, and point D at 1,9. I would say plot each of those points out. Which point will be closest to the square here?